Musk. Good.
Next month, the month of October 2023, I'll be having my Olympic qualifiers in Egypt. It's both stressing and exciting because, you know, we all want to qualify. And going to Paris has been one of my greatest dreams, because for any athlete, qualifying for any Olympics is a huge, huge achievement, bearing in mind that it's the biggest podium there is in sports. And being a mom, it will be like a whole dream come true, because this will be the very biggest of achievements and inspirations to my daughter, who looks up to me on a daily basis, not only in shooting but also in my career.